ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, COPA പോയിന്റിന്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പോകുന്നത് പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോ സീരീസ് ആണ്. CITS ഓർ RPL എക്സാം എഴുതുന്ന നോൺ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ട്രേഡുകാർക്കുള്ള സോഫ്റ്റ് സ്കിൽ ആൻഡ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ എന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇനിയുള്ള 2 വീഡിയോസുകളിലായി ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ലെവൽ 1 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഡ്രസ് ഷുഡ് ബി worn for an interview? Options: formal, casual, traditional, none of these. Answer: formal. Formal dress should be worn for an interview. Next question. For men, the color of the socks should match with which of the following? Options: trousers, shirts, shoes, tie. Answer: trousers. For men, the color of the socks should match with the trousers. Next question. Your workspace should be clean and dash. Options: organized, messed up, unsafe, none of these. Answer: organized. Your workspace should be clean and organized. Next question. We should dash cut our nails. Options: regularly, never, rarely, none of these. Answer: regularly. We should regularly cut our nails. Next question. During interviews, we should express our views dash. Options: clearly, in a haste, aggressively, none of these. Answer: clearly. During interviews, we should express our views clearly. Next question. Put others in an embarrassing situation by asking them to speak if they don't want. It should dash in a group discussion. Options: never be done, always be done, good practice, none of these. Answer: never be done. Put others in an embarrassing situation by asking them to speak if they don't want. It should never be done in a group discussion. Next question. Effective time management leads to dash. Options: increased productivity to achieve goals, decrease and manage stress, better work-life balance, all of these. Answer: all of these. Effective time management leads to increased productivity to achieve goals, decrease and manage stress, better work-life balance. Next question. Tools for time management are dash. Options: calendars, to-do lists, project tracking tools, all of these. Answer: all of these. Tools for time management are calendars, to-do list, project tracking tools. Next question. Communication should be dash. Options: clear, correct, complete, all of these. Answer: all of these. Communication should be clear, correct and complete. Next, which of the following is a greeting or wish? Options: good morning, get well soon, happy journey, all of these. Answer: all of these. Good morning, get well soon and happy journey are greetings or wishes. Next question. Verbal communications in business takes place through dash. Options: phone call conversation, face-to-face conversation, phone call conversation and face-to-face conversation, none of these. Answer: phone call conversation and face-to-face conversation. Verbal communications in business takes place through phone call conversation and face-to-face conversation. Next question. The term communication is derived from the Latin word dash, which means to share. Options: communis, communica, communi, community. Answer: communis. The term communication is derived from the Latin word communis, which means to share. Next question. An effective communication must have dash. Options: sender, receiver, message, all of these. Answer: all of these. An effective communication must have sender, receiver and message. Next question. Dash is a communication between two or more persons wherein the intended message is successfully delivered, received and understood. Options: effective communication, ended communication, closed communication, none of these. Answer, effective communication. Effective communication is a communication between two or more persons wherein the intended message is successfully delivered, received, and understood. Next question. Dash listening is devoted for understanding the message of a speaker as when we attend a classroom lecture. Options: comprehensive, critical, empathetic, appreciative. Answer: comprehensive. Comprehensive listening is devoted for understanding the message of a speaker as when we attend a classroom lecture. Next question. Dash is defined as the process that initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behavior. Options: motivation, attitude, aptitude, all of these. Answer: motivation. Motivation is defined as the process that initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behavior. Next, which of the following different theories of motivation has or have been proposed by psychologists? Options: drive theory, instinct theory, humanistic theory, all of these. Answer: all of these. Drive theory, instinct theory, and humanistic theory are different theories of motivation have been proposed by psychologists. Next, there are dash major component to motivation. Options: 3, 4, 2, 5. Answer: 3. There are 3 major components to motivation. Next, dash is the continued effort toward a goal even though obstacles may exist. Options: persistence, intensity, activation, none of these. Answer: persistence. Persistence is the continued effort toward a goal even though obstacles may exist. Next, individually or organizationally, dash determines what is right and what is wrong, and doing what is right or wrong is what we mean by dash. Options: values, ethics, ethics, values, 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 ethics, ethics. Answer: values, ethics. Individually or organizationally, values determines what is right and what is wrong, and doing what is right or wrong is what we mean by ethics. Next question. Thinking dash thoughts depletes your energy reserves. Options: negative, positive, good, none of these. Answer: negative. Thinking negative thoughts depletes your energy reserves. Next question. Positive people will have dash self-confidence than negative people. Options: more, less, same, none of these. Answer: more. Positive people will have more self-confidence than negative people. Next, dash refers to the guidelines for conduct that address questions about morality. Options: ethics, values, corruption, none of these. Answer: ethics. Ethics refers to the guidelines for conduct that address questions about morality. Next, dash differs from person to person while ethics remain uniform. Options: values, ethics, corruption, none of these. Answer: values. Values differs from person to person while ethics remain uniform. Next question. Choose the correct option. A group of words that makes a complete sense or gives complete meaning is called dash. Options: sentence, phrase, paragraph, story. Answer: sentence. A group of words that makes a complete sense or gives complete meaning is called a sentence. Next question. Choose the correct option. England dash won the Ashes series. Options: have, has, is, are. Answer: have. England have won the Ashes series. Next, choose the type of sentence. The police caught the thieves who looted the bank. Options: complex, simple, compound, none of these. Answer: complex. The police caught the thieves who looted the bank is a complex sentence. Next question. Choose the correct option. How many different parts of speech are there in English grammar? Options 8, 6, 7, 9. Answer 8. 8 different parts of speech are there in English grammar. Next, the past tense form for word think. Options thought, taught, thank, thinked. Answer thought. The past tense form for word think is thought. Next, choose the correct option. A dash is a word that is used instead of a noun. Options pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb. Answer pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Next, choose the correct option. When we get ready for dinner, I have to take my books dash the table. Options off, away, out, off. Answer off. When we get ready for dinner, I have to take my books off the table. Next, choose the correct option. Dash is the complex of mental characteristics that make each of us unique from other people. Options personality, emotional tone, heredity, confidence. Answer personality. Personality is the complex of mental characteristics that makes each of us unique from other people. Next, which of the following things can have an effect on the development of an individual's personality? Options physical and mental capabilities, health and physical appearance, skin color, gender and sexual orientation, all of these. Answer all of these. Physical and mental capabilities, health and physical appearance, skin color, gender and sexual orientation can have an effect on the development of an individual's personality. Next, choose the correct option. A dash speaker looks into the eyes of the audience. Options confident, impatient, rude, impolite. Answer confident. A confident speaker looks into the eyes of the audience. Next question. What is the most important thing to do to your hair every day? Options comb it, color it, cut it, all of these. Answer comb it. Comb it is the most important thing to do to your hair every day. Next, what should you use every day to avoid armpit odor? Options deodorant, shampoo, comb, shaving cream. Answer deodorant. You use deodorant every day to avoid armpit odor. Next question. When you cough, what should you do? Options cover your mouth with your hand, turn your head, cover your mouth with the inside of your elbow, go home. Answer cover your mouth with your hand. When you cough, cover your mouth with your hand. Next, choose the correct option. Dress code is an example of dash communication. Options non-verbal, verbal, spoken, written. Answer non-verbal. Dress code is an example of non-verbal communication. Next, while mentioning the previous job experience in a resume, you should follow the dash order. Options reverse chronological, chronological, important job first, jumbled up. Answer reverse chronological. While mentioning the previous job experience in a resume, you should follow the reverse chronological order. Next, choose the correct option. Unstructured interview is also called a dash. Options directive interview, non-directive interview, collaborative approach interview, approach interview. Answer directive interview. Unstructured interview is also called a directive interview. Next, choose the correct option. In a group discussion, one must communicate with dash. Options knowledge, ignorance, long sentences, hostility. Answer knowledge. In a group discussion, one must communicate with knowledge. Next, when is the best time to break into a discussion? Options: when everyone is silent, when 2 or 3 people are talking simultaneously, when somebody is concluding the discussion, all of these. Answer: when everyone is silent. When everyone is silent is the best time to break into a discussion. Next, which of these must be avoided in a group discussion? Options: speaking fast, speaking clear, speaking facts, asking questions. Answer: speaking fast. Speaking fast must be avoided in a group discussion. Next, choose the correct option. A dash is a monitor of a group discussion. Options: moderator, leader, manager, poet. Answer: moderator. A moderator is a monitor of a group discussion. Next, choose the correct option. A group discussion must advance dash. Options: truth, dishonesty, personal glory, arguments. Answer: truth. A group discussion must advance truth. Next, which of the following is advantage of time management? Options: less stress, inefficient workflow, poor work quality, a poor professional reputation, and a stalled career. Answer: less stress. Less stress is an advantage of time management. Next, choose the correct option. Effective time management provides dash opportunities to achieve important life and career goals. Options: greater, inadequate, lesser, equal. Answer: greater. Effective time management provides greater opportunities to achieve important life and career goals. Next, choose the correct option. The first model of communication is said to have developed by dash. Options: Aristotle, Plato, Steiner, Socrates. Answer: Aristotle. The first model of communication is said to have developed by Aristotle. Next, choose the correct option. According to Hoban, dash is the verbal interchange of thought or idea. Options: communication, concept, writing skills, information. Answer: communication. According to Hoban, communication is the verbal interchange of thought or idea. അപ്പോൾ സോഫ്റ്റ് സ്കിൽസ് ആൻഡ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിലെ 49 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ലെവൽ 1-ൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ലെവൽ 2-ലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുമായി നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ, കമന്റ് ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്.